Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the hidden options with your Google Chrome browser. Here, when I put my cursor and I right click, so you can get all the options, which I call that the hidden options. First, we have restore. When you want to restore that, so you can move and you can change the size. And also you're going to get here the minimize and maximize. And what you're going to get next is that the new tab. Also from here I can click to create a new tab, or I can just right click here. So here we have new tab to the right, and also from this menu I can just click on new tab. You can use the shortcut, which is Ctrl plus T. And next we have this reopen close tab. If you want to reopen the closed tab, so simple, you can click here, and the shortcut is Ctrl plus Shift plus T. And next we have the bookmark all tabs. The shortcut is Ctrl plus Shift plus D, and from here also I can bookmark, but only I can bookmark this tab. But if I want to bookmark all the tabs, so I'm going to right click. So here we have the bookmark for all tabs. And next we have the name window. If I click here, so I can give it a new name, like maybe I'm going to call that the google.com. And if I want to edit that, simple, I'm going to right click and click on name window. Now you can edit that and change it to any name that you want to. And here we have the task manager. You can use the shortcut Shift plus Escape. If I click here, it's going to open the task manager, which I can just end the process for the tabs. Just like this, I'm going to select that and click on this button, which is end process. Under task manager, you can see the memory footprint, the CPU, the network, and the process ID. And the last option here is called close. I can close my browser, and you can use the shortcut Alt plus F4. So this is how we can use these options with our Google Chrome browser. So hope you guys enjoyed and learned, and if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.